Hey guys, if you're new to content creation, if you're new to YouTube, if you're just getting started out, well, I know that it can be overwhelming and it can be perplexing on which camera you should use for vlogging. Now, one of these cameras came up on the recommendation of a YouTube video that I watched from a tech group. One of these cameras came up on a recommendation from a fellow friend and YouTube vlogger. I am going to let you in on the secret of what I believe is the best vlogging camera. Stay tuned. It's coming up next. So here I have the mirrorless Canon M50 with the boom mic set. This package, including the tripod, would be in the price range of around $560. Setting just underneath the Canon is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro and tripod came in around $230. As a kid at Christmas time, I was always drawn to the bigger packages because I felt they were the better gifts. As I grew older, I learned that the small packages contained valuable gifts as well. So naturally, with that thought process in mind and my love for still photography, I purchased the Canon M50 on the recommendation of a tech show on YouTube. My fellow YouTuber and friend, Mark Way Up, was really encouraging me to get the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Up to this point, I had done all my filming on my iPhone 8 Plus. Due to working with Canons, I purchased the Canon M50. It's a beauty. Compact, lightweight, a screen that you can flip around for vlogging, and beautiful video quality. The stabilization works pretty good as well. It's a really neat camera, and I've used it on location for vlogging. A wonderful camera, but in my opinion, still a little too heavy and cumbersome. It's manageable, but a lot of my videos are spur of the moment, random opportunity shots. It's not a camera that I carry around for such shots, so I would find myself going back to my iPhone 8. All the time, Mark Way Up's advice about the GoPro Hero 7 Black was still in my mind. I couldn't get past the thinking that GoPro was all about action and not vlogging. In fact, a lot of YouTubers I know do not use the GoPro. I decided on the word of my friend to purchase the GoPro, and I'm super glad that I did. Look at the size of this setup. It is so portable that I can carry it everywhere. I can take it on location and film and just slide it into my back jeans pocket when I'm finished. It produces, in my opinion, just as clean picture quality as my Canon M50. In fact, I'm recording this video on my husband's GoPro Hero 7. Yes, I like the GoPro Hero 7 so much that I ended up purchasing one for my husband. On Saturday, I took this little camera with me to a local antique store. I stuck this whole unit in my back pocket, and when I had the opportunity, I asked the store owner if I could film the store for my YouTube channel. Check that video out on my channel. The only cons that I have is that it does go through batteries, so you want to have at least one extra battery with you and more, depending on the footage you are going to shoot. Some people say they don't like the GoPro because of fisheye or round horizons, but that is a simple fix in the settings. The other thing I don't like is that you cannot zoom in or out while recording, but I've learned to adjust to that little idiosyncrasy. As far as my main concern about it not having a flip screen for vlogging, I have found that I don't need it. As long as the lens is pointed at me, I am in the shot, crisp and clear. So you may think that I'm upset with my Canon M50. That's not the case at all. It's an awesome camera that I will continue to use. In fact, I'm using it more on a tripod in my home studio setup. So I hope you found this video helpful, especially if you're looking for the perfect camera for you. I have found the GoPro Hero 7 Black to be a wonderful option. I really enjoy it. I just love it. Like I said, I bought my husband one. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.